Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is White Raven Whispers, and we are gonna look at the situation, recent past and present situation, and nearest future. So please take whatever resonates and gently leave the rest, and hopefully you will be more calm maybe after this reading and have some clarity and maybe have some pointers of where to go after this reading. So may whomever needs these messages receive them. Thank you. So let's see what's the situation we are looking at. Recent, past, what just happened? What just happened? So, Seven of Pentacles. Something you have been very patient about, that you have been working on and been very patient. You have been very patient with someone, and you have given someone a lot of time. You have been trying to meet people. So, okay. You have been very patient about finding love. Okay, finding love. And you have been trying to find that little passion. And you have been patient, and you have been going on different types of dating areas or arenas, like maybe Tinder. If not Tinder, then the other dating apps. And maybe, yeah, you have been dating, you have been doing good. So what's the present situation? What's the present situation? You're still dating? Okay, that's good. You're still dating, that's good. But maybe this hasn't been as fruitful as you wanted to, and you are missing that. Okay, you are missing that love offer that you have been waiting for and been patient about. That love offer from dating, you haven't received that yet, and you're still dating. But I want to see, I feel like, of course, that this is hard for you now. Maybe it's been going on for quite some time and it hasn't been fruitful. And let's see some more information. Either you are seeking this partner, or you have found this partner. You have found them, okay? Let's see if you have found them, or if you we need some more cards here, please. Is the receiver of these messages found a love interest? Maybe? Or I don't know, it's still looking. This fell out. So you are exhausted about finding this. I don't feel like you have found them just yet. If you have, then maybe a little love interest, but it's not like what you have had in mind, maybe. Oh, so there are a lot of fears that brings the search for this this love, it's a lot of fears. So I don't think you are exhausted about this because you have a lot of fears about dating and finding. You want love, but you fear love. You want love, but you fear love. And of course, that's really hard. So we need to ask the universe now what you should do now to let go of the fears, so you will find that person that you long for. Okay. You need to find the person that you long for. So please. Some guidance, please. For this person that's dating, but every time maybe a potential partner comes, it's exhausting and the fears comes. So if you have found someone or if you haven't found someone, it doesn't matter. It's the same. It's the exhaustion and the fears that comes out. So you have the problem of finding someone or moving forward with someone because of the fears. Okay, let's see. Some guidance, please, for this person in this situation that are fearing love and are exhausted. So acceptance and creation. I accept every step that life presents me without resistance. So you need to accept that this is hard, this is hurtful, and you need to feel those feelings to move forward. And you need to feel that feelings and you need to work yourself through it, and you need to accept that it is hard, and it's a lot of fears, and just accept that so you can move forward. Go through that pain and go on the other side of that pain. Everything you ever want is on the other side of fear. So you need to go to the other side. Creation. I have the power to direct my life. So you need to direct your life. And you need to believe that you can transform and improve your life. Then you create your own life. So what you need is on the other side of fear, and you need to accept those fears but still move forward. When you like to run away and you feel those fears and everything, you need to find that, you need to stop and you need to acknowledge that this is my fears talking. What to do then? When the fears are talking, you need to remind yourself that you are the creator of your own life. You are the creator of both happiness and fears. So if you create fears, you can also create not fears. Authenticity. It's okay to be afraid. And it's okay to have fears. It's okay to be human. So maybe start being open about it and just tell the other person, I have a lot of fears in this. I have a lot of fears in this, and I'm working on it. And this is a me problem, not a you problem. And maybe you can tell them what you need. Like, so this makes me, if you say this makes me fear, this brings out my fears. This makes me feel bad. And I need this from you right now, or yeah, just be authentic. Don't try to be someone else, or don't try to please the other person by being someone you're not. Right, that's too many cards. Let's take this. And gratitude. I offer praise to everything in my life. Gratitude is the gateway to miracles. So show gratitude and authenticity, and create your world and create your life. Just accept who you are, and fears are fears. Accept it. Just be yourself and be who you are, and show gratitude to the universe for the little things. If you start the gratitude and think about what's good in your life, and it will start this positive spiral in your head. In the darkest times, it's easy to focus on all of the bad things, and it goes like this bad spiral. If you can snap out of that and start thinking about what you're grateful for, then you will see a shift of energy and you will feel that shift of energy in your mind and in your heart and in your body, that goes from downward fear spiral to like stop and go upward in the gratitude and in a positive spiral. So stop, acknowledge, this is my fears. What am I grateful for? So let's help you a little bit with some self-love here. Kind self-talk, yes. Speak to yourself as you would be a beloved friend. That is an excellent message. Talk to yourself like you would speak to your best friend. What kind of advice would you give to your best friend? What kind of sweet talk would you give to your best friend? How would you comfort and show love and show support to your best friend? Do that to yourself. Kind self-talk, that's amazing. So let's see. Nearest future, please. Nearest future, please. Actually, I will use this deck. Nearest future, please. Nearest future, please. Seven of Swords. You will collect them fears. And you will go through that pain. And you will find balance and justice. You will collect them fears. You will acknowledge them fears. And you will go through that, whatever that mindset. And you, whenever those fears comes, You will stop them, and you will find balance, and you will have what you deserve and what you need in love. So let's see some more cards, please. Yes, you are really working on yourself, and you will have everything that you want. You will find stability in yourself. You will find that self-care and what is it called? Like the confidence. You will find that confidence, and you are doing that inner work. You are really doing that inner work, and this will be very good for you. This will be very good for you. So, one more card, please. How will this is the same here. So 7 of Pentacles again, and the heartbreak again, and it will take patience, but the patience will help you. It will take some time. It will take some time. I see that where you... It will take some time. But slow and steady wins the race. But it doesn't have to be like a long time. But it will take some time for you to switch. It's not an easy fix, but you will fix it. It will take some time because you have a lot of fears. But step by step, you are finding it away, and you will find love. So let's see. We need some cards. When the receiver of this message, when they come out on the other side, dealing with those fears, acknowledging those fears, how will that be? How will that be? When they have worked, taken step by step out of this 2 of Cups. That's for me is the ultimate love. And 4 of Swords again. So that's, you have collected the fears, and to me, I feel like this is the acknowledging of the fears, and you will find that love. And this is, you are healed. This is a healing card for me. And when you have healed and acknowledged, you will find that love. It doesn't have to be a very long time, but you need to go through that process first, okay? Yes. Start that healing journey now, okay? You need to acknowledge your fears first. It's not a step that you can jump over. You have to go through that pain. And you will. You are doing it, and you're doing it soon, and it will take some time. It's not something you can rush, but you will feel like step by step you feel better and better, and when you are healed, if not fully healed, but when you have started that healing journey and you are confident enough, and then this love will come. Okay, love and light.